Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So today I'll be showing you another get up and go sis makeup look. You know, keeping it very simple but very glam at the same time. The whole point is for you to do your makeup and rush out of the house. And yeah, this is the look we're going for today. A very nice simple pink cut crease look and a few of my foundation tricks. So stay tuned if you want to learn more, and don't forget, subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Welcome back guys. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera and cleaned them up, as you can see, using the amazing L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And now I'm just going to jump straight into my eyes. So I've already prepped and primed my face. And now I'm going to prep my eyes using the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion in the shade Original. So it's very clear. So what this is going to do is it's going to brighten my eyeshadow, avoid creasing, and make sure it just lasts the whole day. So I'm just applying it all over my eyelid. And I'm going to go in with a very beautiful fluffy brush and just blend this in all over my eye. So today I'll be creating a very nice clean pinkish look. It's going to be very easy as usual, but the whole point is easy but look bomb. Easy but look bomb. So I'm going to use Easter and I'm just going to blend this out. And then using a clean brush, I'm going to soften the edges of Easter using a clean brush and just intensifying that. And now that this is done, I'm going to go into a clean brush and I'm going to go into my Everyday Is My Birthday highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here for my crease, and I'm just going to place this nicely here. So now that I've done that, I've placed my pink Easter color in the outer corners and my Everyday Is My Birthday highlighter in the inner corner. Now we're done. Listen, this eyeshadow look is like a very easy one. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metals in the shade Grind. It's like a glitter liner. And I'm just going to place this glitter on my crease like this. So I'm going to go in with my Essence Cardgel pencil and I'm just going to sharpen it a bit, and then I'm lightly going to warm it up on the back of my hand to just kind of make it easy to apply. See how much easier it is when you apply, when you warm up the product at the back of your hand. It becomes so much easier to apply. So I put on my lashes, and as you can see, you know, we're here, we are flicking, we look beautiful. Here's the tip, the trick to making simple eyeshadow looking gorgeous. Beautiful pair of eyelashes. Beautiful pair of eyelashes seals everything and makes a major difference. As you can see, all I use is one shade, and a highlighter shade and a glitter liner. This is what we got. So now I'm going to jump into my foundation. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Velvet Sticks. I am just going to blend this in with a brush. Being careful not to move the product around too much. already we have a nice difference, glow in the house. So Revlon has a new foundation, guys. It's called the Revlon Photo Ready Candid. So I decided to jump on this wagon because I've heard some good things about it. So I'm gonna try it out today. My shade number is 440 Caramel. Like if you've checked out a few of my videos, usually my shade is caramel in most brands. Let's hydrate. So I'm just gonna pump a bit of it in the back of my hand. It says it is a medium buildable coverage. So no harsh ingredients, anti-pollution, antioxidant, and anti-blue light, oil-free. Amazing. Oil-free, amazing, because I have a very, very oily skin. So I'm just going to go in with a foundation brush and just place this all over my face. My hair better behave. It has a very beautiful coverage, won't lie. It's nice and blends quite well with my skin. And the other side as well. Just gonna blend this here. Like, you see how beautiful that glow is? That velvet stick comes through, trust me. I'm not sure if they still sell those velvet sticks, but just check out LA Gold. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade, what is my shade again? Toffee Caramel. And I'm just gonna place this right under my eyes. Using a nice small blending brush. It's like a steepling brush, if I can put it like that. Just to place my concealer where I want it most. And just blending out the outer edges. For me, I feel like using a smaller blending brush kind of helps me be more precise and careful about where I place my product exactly. And I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and I'm going to use the clean side to just blend out and make this a bit more seamless. And now I'm going to use my Maybelline loose powder in the shade Translucent Bear just to set under my eyes. I'm setting, not baking. So I'm just setting under my eyes like this. Just to avoid creasing and my concealer going anywhere it's not supposed to. And I'm going to set my chin area because I did create some there. Smile lines. And now my favorite part is going to be contouring. So and I'm going to go in with my Beauty Treats Face Contour Palette. It looks like this. I'm going to use these powders, this beautiful palette. So I'm going to use a contour brush and I'm going to go into the shade right here. I'm going to use the shade to contour my face. And I'm just going to place this like this. It's a very nice warm color. It's like very nice and bronze. So now that I'm done that, I'm going to go back with my beauty sponge, the side that I use for my foundation, and just clean up the edges of my contour powder and my concealer. And just make sure it blends together and looks very, very nice. Right? So I'm going to use this nice dense brush, but because I'm contouring my nose, I don't want it too deep. I'm going to go in with this shade instead, this shade right here, to contour my nose. Now that my nose is snatched, I'm going to go back into my loose powder, guys. I'm going to go back into my loose powder and I am going to place this on the tip of my nose. I'm going to use a brush for more precision actually. So my nose is snatched, my mouth is snatched. So now that we look like that, and I'm not baking today, I'm going to jump straight into my blush. And I'm going to use the Maybelline New York, what is this blush called? Face Studio Blush in the shade 100 Peach Pop. And I'm just going to place these on my cheeks, like that. It's a beautiful pink, it looks like this. I like how it just, so this is how you open it. Let me just show you. Yeah, so this is how you open it. Alright, and then you just, how cool is that? It's like those old Motorola phones. You remember those old Motorola phones? And now I'm going to go back into my Candid Transform Everyday is my birthday highlighter palette, and I'll be mixing these two shades right here as my highlighter. Like, come through, Connie. Come through, Connie. Oh. And place my highlighter here. What were you all saying about gold noses? What about it? Blue, I don't know what it's called. Hi guys, I don't know the name of this pencil. I don't even lie to you. I'm gonna line my waterline with this. Going back with Easter and just putting this on my waterline. I love lining my lips with my favorite pencil, my brown favorite pencil, and I'm doing that again, as always. So today I'll be using the Woolworths Beauty, right? Woolworths Beauty Lips Hydro in the shade Hazelnut, and it's a very nice creamy lipstick. Just gonna clean it up. Am I the only one that cleans up their lipstick? So I'm going to apply my lipstick. See, it's so nice and creamy. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with my Revolution Perfects Illuminating Fixing Spray to seal up my look, and I'm just going to shake it up a bit. And that should seal my makeup in for the entire day. And I'm going to go back with my Candid Transform highlighter again. But this time I'm only using the bronze shade. I'm using this shade only, just for my collarbones. You understand? Not me. And that is what your girl looks like. So, thank you. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it, and I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it, and most importantly, I really hope you learned something, you know, about get up and go makeup. You can still look this glam with just a few products. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video.